Yo, what's up, science fans? Today we're diving into a topic that's as mind-bending as it is fascinating. Let's talk about quantum physics. It's a field that has puzzled and amazed scientists for decades. It sounds crazy complicated, right? Equations that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie? But trust me, it's mind-blowing in the best way possible. Quantum physics challenges our understanding of reality itself. Imagine a world where the rules of reality are totally different from what we see every day. A place where particles can be in two places at once. That's the quantum realm, baby. It's a place where the usual laws of physics don't apply. We're talking about the tiniest particles in the universe, way smaller than atoms. These particles behave in ways that defy our everyday experiences. This is where things get weird, where the impossible becomes possible. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon known as superposition. Quantum physics helps us understand how energy works at its most fundamental level. It's like peering into the very fabric of the universe. It's the key to understanding everything from the Big Bang to the way our brains work. Quantum mechanics plays a role in the processes that govern our thoughts and actions. This isn't just some abstract theory either. Scientists are conducting experiments every day to test and apply these principles. Quantum physics has already led to incredible technological advancements like lasers and transistors. These innovations have revolutionized our world. Imagine what else we can achieve once we unlock its full potential. Quantum computing, for instance, promises to solve problems that are currently unsolvable. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the quantum rabbit hole. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. The world of quantum physics is waiting for you to explore its mysteries and unlock its secrets.
Okay, let's break this down. We're diving into the fascinating world of quantum physics, where the rules are entirely different from what we experience in our everyday lives. In the quantum world, things aren't so clear-cut. Unlike the predictable nature of classical physics, quantum mechanics introduces a level of uncertainty and randomness. Instead of solid objects, we have waves of probability. These waves represent the likelihood of finding a particle in a particular place at a particular time. Imagine a spinning coin. You don't know if it's heads or tails until it lands. This is similar to how quantum particles exist in a state of uncertainty until they are measured. That's kind of how quantum particles behave. They don't have definite positions or velocities until we observe them. These particles can exist in multiple states at once, called superposition. It's like a cat being both alive and dead in Schrödinger's famous thought experiment. It's like they're in a state of maybe until we observe them. This maybe state is a fundamental aspect of quantum mechanics. And get this, the act of observing actually influences the outcome. This is known as the observer effect, where the mere act of measurement affects the system being observed. Yeah, you read that right. Our consciousness plays a role in shaping reality. This idea challenges our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Another wild concept is quantum entanglement. This phenomenon occurs when particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of another, no matter the distance between them. Imagine two particles linked together, no matter how far apart they are. This connection remains intact, even if they are light years away from each other. If you change the state of one, the other changes instantly. This instantaneous connection defies our classical understanding of space and time. It's like they have a secret telepathic connection. Spooky, right? This spooky action at a distance, as Einstein called it, continues to baffle scientists and fuels ongoing research into the mysteries of quantum mechanics.
Everything in the universe is made up of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. That's what quantum physics teaches us. Even solid objects are just a bunch of atoms buzzing around. Your thoughts? Yep, energy too. Now here's the cool part. We can influence these vibrations with our thoughts and emotions. Positive vibes attract positive experiences, while negative ones attract, well, you get the picture. It's all about aligning your energy with what you want to manifest. Think of it like tuning a radio. When you dial into the right frequency, you get a clear signal. Same goes for life. When you raise your vibration, you attract more abundance, joy, and love.
So how does this all connect to our lives? Well, if everything is energy and our thoughts and beliefs influence this energy, then we have the power to shape our own reality. Pretty mind-blowing, right? It means we're not just victims of circumstance, we're active creators. We can literally think ourselves into a better life. Of course, it's not always easy. We've got years of negative programming to overcome, but with awareness and effort, we can rewire our brains and create a reality that aligns with our desires.
Imagination, the key to unlocking your quantum potential. Hold up, it gets even more interesting. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist, lecturer, and best-selling author, says, "The quantum field does not respond to what we want. It responds to who we are being." Basically, our thoughts and beliefs create an energy field around us that attracts similar experiences. That's where imagination comes in. When we vividly imagine our desires as if they've already happened and feel the feelings of it, we start to believe it. More about this later, so be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video for some hidden gems. The secret sauce to manifesting your reality. Listen up, friends, because there's a catch. You gotta believe it first in order to see it. Yep, that's right. Think this sounds crazy? As Neville Goddard, a highly respected author, mystic, and lecturer, teaches us, imagination is the very doorway to reality. That's right. What you're imagining, you're literally creating right now. If you don't truly believe something's possible, it just ain't gonna happen for you. Doubt and fear are like energetic blocks, preventing the flow of abundance. But when you believe in yourself and the power of the universe, you become an unstoppable force. You become a magnet for miracles. The observer effect. You are not just watching, you are creating. Remember that thing about observation influencing reality? That's the observer effect in action. It means we're not just passive observers in this quantum soup, we're active participants. Every thought, every emotion, every action sends out ripples of energy that affect the world around us. So the next time you're feeling down, remember that you have the power to change your state and shift your reality. You are the artist of your own life.
Quantum entanglement, spooky action at a distance, or proof of our connectedness. Now let's circle back to entanglement. It's one of the most mind-boggling concepts in quantum physics. Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance. But what if it's more than just spooky? What if it's proof that we're all connected on a deeper level? That we're all part of a giant cosmic web of consciousness? It's a trippy thought, but it kind of makes sense when you think about how interconnected everything in the universe really is.
The quantum leap, from understanding to application. So we've covered a lot of ground here. We've delved into the fascinating world of quantum physics, exploring its many layers and complexities. We've talked about superposition, entanglement, energy vibrations, and the power of our thoughts and beliefs. These concepts might seem abstract, but they hold the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of our universe. But how do we actually apply this knowledge in our everyday lives? It starts with awareness. Awareness of our thoughts, our emotions, and the energy we emit into the world. Once you understand the basic principles of quantum physics, you start to see the world differently. You begin to notice the interconnectedness of all things and the subtle energies that influence our reality. You realize that you're not just a victim of circumstance, but a powerful creator with the ability to shape your own reality. This realization is empowering and transformative. From there, it's all about practice. Consistent practice is essential to integrate these principles into your daily life. Meditation, visualization, affirmations. These are all tools that can help you to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your desires. By meditating, you quiet the mind and connect with the quantum field. Visualization allows you to see and feel your desired outcomes, as if they are already happening. Affirmations reinforce positive beliefs and intentions, helping to shift your mindset and energy. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your journey. Community and shared experiences can amplify your efforts and keep you motivated. Keep a journal to document your experiences and progress. Reflecting on your journey helps you to stay focused and recognize the changes happening within and around you. Embrace the power of your newfound understanding. With dedication and practice, you can harness the principles of quantum physics to create a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance.
Here comes the hidden gems we promised you. When we vividly imagine our desires as if they've already happened, and feel the feelings of it, we embody the energy of that new reality. To do this, we're literally shifting our vibrational frequency to match that of our dreams. Why does this work? Because the subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between an actual experience and one that is imagined. That's right, friends. When you engage your imagination and feel the feelings of your desired goal already achieved, something magical happens. Your subconscious mind, which is broadcasting your energetic signal day in and day out to all of infinity, will broadcast the signal that you have already attained your desire. You must hold fast in your belief that your desire is already accomplished within you and ignore that you are not seeing it in 3D yet. Live your life knowing it's yours already. This is crucial. You have planted a seed which you must now water with your belief that everything happening around you, and everything that is happening to you, is part of the grand plan unfolding. That is now bringing your desire fully into your 3D experience. You must accept that it's already on its way. And guess what? With this belief and confidence and faith and practice, the universe has no choice but to bring it to you. You won't know when, and you won't know how. Those details are none of your concern. And frankly, your limited conscious mind only engages in limited thinking. Therefore, it cannot conceive of all the limitless possibilities of circumstances that could take place to bring forth your desire. So let it go. Let go of any attachment to how it comes about. Because trying to figure it out and do things will likely slow it down or even prevent it from happening the way you would like it to. Instead, become really, really good at using your imagination and feeling the feelings of your desires fulfilled. Be like an actor who is fully immersed in your character 24/7. Pro tip, don't talk about what you're manifesting with anyone. Their opinions can throw curveballs that cast doubt and take you off your focus. Just remain true to and immersed in your desire already achieved. Simply allow your subconscious mind to do all the heavy lifting. When you can maintain the belief and the feeling that the then and there is here and now, guess what? The universe starts to conspire to bring it to you.
The quantum revolution has begun. We're living in exciting times, folks. The quantum revolution is upon us. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the quantum realm, we're opening up a world of infinite possibilities. It's time to embrace our power as conscious creators. It's time to step into our full potential and create a world that's filled with love, abundance, and joy. The future is in our hands right now. I'll see you in the quantum.